Hello everyone. Bulk confirm and cancel order app will help user to cancel and confirm in bulk for sales order, purchase order and manufacturing order. Once this module is installed, we can see and multiple sales on sales module, and we can see multiple purchase on purchase modules, and you can see all the orders of manufacturing orders in the manufacturing. So once you need to confirm or cancel in the bulk way, we can make use of this module. So after installing this module, let's get into the sales. So from here you can see these are the list of quotations and sales order that we have created, and some of them in the cancel state too. So for example, let's cancel this order that we have created before, which is in the sales order state. So if we cancel this, okay, so you can see it will be in the cancel state, and also the delivery which is there, which is also in the cancel state, you can see that one too. Okay, and also if you need to confirm, you can see an option to select, and under action you can see an confirm option to confirm this order. You can see that these two are the orders that we have confirmed now, and as well as you can cancel it from here by selecting this order, and you can see the cancel option right away here under the action. Okay, and like the same way we can see the same options on the purchase as well as in the manufacturing too. Let's get into the purchase, and here under action we can see the confirm option to confirm the order, and from here you can select multiple one as well. Okay, let's select the multiple one from here, and you can cancel it. So from here you can see an action, under that you can see the cancel order, and you can see these are the orders that which are cancelled. Okay, and now, like the same way, let's get into the manufacturing order to confirm and cancel. So here you can see it is in the draft state. So let's confirm this order. And here you can see this will be in the confirmed state. So now let's delete this by clicking on the cancel option, which is available here. Now you can see that that particular one will be in the cancel state. In this way, we can make use of this module to cancel and confirm the order in the bulk for sales order, purchase order, as well as in the manufacturing order. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.